ba?
Hindi pa.
If it's a penalty shot. If Jack Chan had made that shot, that would have counted in class 1. Si Jordi Bansan titira ng pang-apat. Watch this, he was just going full speed. Oops, hindi na husay. Yeah, maybe this angle. And this is the play. When they got it back to ground, we open for the 3-point shot. And now Toyod slowly going straight to the basket.
Nakalimutan yung mga turo ng coach ng elementary. Stop the ball. Yan ang unang trabaho.
Yeah, the 11 Magpinto coming to the ballroom for Jeff Chan. So they go small.
Assist number 5.
Oh, look at that,
In spectacular fashion, itong panlima.
But you also have to be a good player to expect a pass like that and be able to pass. But this was a great, he draws everybody. Parang, if you're a defensive player, if you're a coach, gusto mo sabihin sa player, alam mo naman sino mo makakasakit sa